In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to add the JavaScript file for getting this value. So we can go here, www.root, open Java.js, create the new folder called products. We can disable F2 now. Products. Now add the file called new item, add JavaScript file name product.js. Now we have to include this file in our create product.html files. So how you do that? So as you remember, I told you in the share layout they already defined the method render script. So now I'm going to use the render section method to rendering this file. So go to the create HTML. Now at the rate section, the rate section, then create. The name of this is similar to this one. If you require one more, you can copy and give the name and use this name is here. So now this already added, but our file name is product. So you can, so whatever the JavaScript file is added, it will display or come after this bootstrap or jQuery file. So it will render here. If you not use this, so this will automatically come this JavaScript file in somewhere else in your pages. So to our rendering proper jQuery file, so we have to use this. So now just test whether is working or not. So we have to use function is a document dot get ready function. Now just try to test this is embedded or not properly in our HTML file. So just run it and test. If you get the alert method, that it will be properly include in your HTML. So as you can see, it will be not coming. That's to control view source. As you can see, there is some problem here. So let's check it out. We dot not mention the .js. Yeah, just refresh it. Now we can again run this. So as you know, you are a fresher, so you have to some issue whether the product still is not coming. So again, view source. Then you have to check. As you can see, it will be not found. So not found. Maybe you have not give the correct path. So it will become in the JS. Then product. Then you have to carefully copy the path. Now run again. Then again product, then create and hit enter. As if you get the test method, that means you have successfully bind the JavaScript file with your create view. So now it is time to add the method or function for creating the product. Now in simple way, I am use the separate function create product. In this we are going to use our object where obj is equals to now. So we have the product name, so we can use the product name, then same as the field name. Then the other property you can copy paste because we kept the field name same. This id just means from here we are taking this field, so don't get confused. So then next field product price in the JS. Then we can use product description, same same field, the product description. Then for is active, so basically this is a checkbox, so you have to, if is active is checked, then it will give the true, else it will give you the false. So here we define the object that we are going to pass to the controller. Now we have to define the AJAX method. Here the AJAX method is defined. AJAX, the type is the post, and the URL is the controller name. My controller name is the product, and create product we still pending. We have to define this create product. The data is this, the content type and the data type. If it's success, then it will give you the product successfully. As false, it give you the not creating. Then we will handle the error method in this way. Now, in the next video, I am going to show you how to create the create method and how to pass the data to the controller. So, thank you for watching this video.